Today we are going to talk about the Hunyuan video model, an AI video model available in Tensor Art. You might ask why we need to learn about this model. Well, this is the cheapest model that you can find to generate videos. You can use this tool to create videos for YouTube automation, TikTok, and more. I'm sure that you have seen videos like these on YouTube and TikTok, which are getting an insane amount of views. Well, all of these videos are made using AI models like the Hunyuan video model. So let's dive in and see how to make videos with this model. Tensor Art is the most affordable AI tool for generating images, videos, and more. Take a look at their pricing plans. You can get 1,000 credits for just $9.9, which is more than enough for hundreds of video generations. I talked about AI image features in a previous video. If you want, you can watch it. Today, let's make some AI videos. As you can see here, they have a lot of AI models. You can directly use these AI models through Tensor Art. For today's video, I'm going to talk about the Hunyuan AI model. First, let me show you a cool video I created using this AI model. You can convert your text to videos using this model. These are some of the generations that I've created using this AI model. As you can see here, these are super realistic, and the quality is top-notch. In order to make a quality video using this model, you have to follow these exact steps. First, you need to click this Run option. This is the dashboard of this AI model. From these settings, you can switch between these fast and stable modes. I would prefer to use this stable mode because we can get a good result with this. Then, you can select the resolution of your video. It can be either vertical or horizontal. After that, you can select the duration time. I'm going to go with 5 seconds. After that, you need to enter the prompt here. I'm going to make a video about a Toyota supercar driving through Tokyo City. Now, this prompt is very basic. We can actually enhance this given prompt using this tool. Just click this magic wand icon and it will convert your basic prompt into a detailed one. If you want, you can add a negative prompt for this, which means things you don't want to be included in the output. After that, click this to generate the video. The first video is completed. As you can see here, it's actually pretty good. Now I'm going to make it more specific. I want this car to drift. The process is similar to before. I'm just only changing the prompt. This time I'm going to add a negative prompt as well because I don't want any people or any other vehicles on the road. Let's generate. I generated 2 videos with the same prompt, but different aspect ratios. These look perfect. Now, let's try to create some advanced videos. I'm going to make a video about an astronaut laying on the moon with a USA flag. Just like before, I'm going to enter the prompt and enhance it, and let's generate and see the final output. This looks amazing. Just like this, you can easily create AI videos for your projects. Now, this model has the ability to convert images into videos as well. With this option, you can convert your images into live videos. First, you need to select the image to video option from this top menu. Guys, this process is super easy. I have generated some images. Let me show you how to convert those to videos using this model. First, you need to click this and upload the image you want to convert to a video here. We have already selected the Hunyuan AI model, so you don't have to change it. Just like before, you need to select the aspect ratio for this video. Then, let's set the duration to 5 seconds. Now, all you need to do is write the prompt correctly, just like we did before. I'm going to enter the prompt here and enhance it. I'm not going to add a negative prompt, and let's generate the video. It looks like our video is completed. As you can see here, this is actually perfect, and now you understand how easy it is to convert these images to videos with this AI model in Tensor Art. Not only video generations, you can create all sorts of images, anime images, and other artistic images with this Tensor Art. They have some amazing AI tools such as AI Eraser, AI Background Remover, AI Face Swap, and more. You can easily access to these valuable AI tools through Tensor Art. You can get daily credits with this tool, which means you can generate free images and videos as well. And guys, you can join their Discord and learn about upcoming AI models. And guys, I hope you have learned some valuable information from this video. And I will see you guys in the next one.